Hey mathematicians, we're going to be doing some division using the box method. So no matter what method of division you are doing, you always set it up the same. You write out your number, and then you have your division symbol and the number you're dividing by on the outside. With the standard algorithm, this would be enough. But for the box method, we're going to actually create a box around our number. So we will extend this line down, leaving enough room for us to write some more numbers. And we're also going to draw lines between all the numbers to help us stay organized. All right, so for the box method, what we are going to do is we're going to look at each of the digits in our number, and we're going to ask ourselves, how many times does 3 fit into that digit? So if we look at the first one, how many times does 3 fit into 2? Well, 3 does not fit into 2. So at the top of our box, we are going to write a 0 because it doesn't fit. We will take 0 3s away, and we're left with 2. Then we're going to take the 2 and bring it up to our next column, and put it ahead of our next number. So now instead of having a 0 in the second column, we have a 2. So now we need to ask ourselves, how many times does 3 fit into 20? 3 into 20. So I can count by 3s. I know that 9 3s is 18. I know that 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 5 3s is 15, 6 3s is 18, 7 3s is 21. So that means we can fit 6 3s into 20. 6 3s is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. And again, we're going to take that 2 and bring it up in front of our 4. So now we need to ask ourselves, how many 3s can we fit into 24? We can fit 8 3s into 24. And 8 times 3 is exactly 24, so we have 0 left over. That means we're not going to need to bring anything up into our next column. So all we need to do is ask ourselves, how many 3s can we fit into 8? We can fit 2 3s into 8. 2 3s is 6. We're left with 2. We have nowhere to carry this to because we're in the last column. So that right there is our remainder. So our answer to this equation is 682 with a remainder of 2.